Side of Burnt Store Road going into town can be just about, over in the area, Pine Island Road and Chiquita, area, they get a lot of water, a lot of low places in the Cape that are almost unpassable after a really heavy rain.
Today, leaders in the city of Cape Coral heard from residents about ways to fix roads that flood in heavy rain.
Yeah, just a few inches from an afternoon storm can turn some roads into rivers. Gulf Coast News reporter Samantha Romero is live at Cape Coral City Hall speaking with people about the problem areas they see.
Residents who live off Burnt Store Road, they tell me flooding is nothing new in Cape Coral. So when the city asked for feedback, residents didn't hesitate to show up. Dana Breda spends his time under the hood.
And I'm building another car in the back that's going to be lower yet.
But even his garage project has to take the weather into account. He's building his collectible. But there's one big problem. The car's low and it might not be able to handle flooded streets. And neither can many others around here.
There are a lot of low places in the Cape that are almost unpassable after a really heavy rain.
Rainy season is right around the corner, and that means trouble in all the usual spots.
Chiquita, Nicholas Parkway, those streets there, oh man, you would be coming through there and you would be surprised how, a storm that hit right there, or just a heavy rain that would hit right there, how it would affect that area really bad.
The city says it's paying attention. That's why they hosted a meeting tonight asking residents to map out the most flood-prone areas as a part of their study, the Flood Vulnerability Assessment.
What areas have you seen that are troublesome?
People didn't hold back, pointing to the Yacht Club area, Trafalgar Parkway, and Tropicana Parkway. The city hoping to identify the problem areas before the next storm hits.
They probably need to do that because there are a lot of low places in the Cape that are almost unpassable after a really heavy rain. So I think that's a good idea.
The city heard from residents at City Hall today. Now, this study is a part of a long-term plan, and it's also a requirement for the city to apply for state grants, ones that would storm-proof neighborhoods and keep homes and roads safe by the time the next storm rolls by. I'm live at Cape Coral City Hall. Samantha Romero, Gulf Coast News.